Hey guys, do you know what is the one thing that comes to my mind when I look at Kriti Sanon? How she looks so stunning all the time. I mean, her skin is flawless and she's glowing. And then I came to know about some amazing home remedies used by her to get that perfect glow. So if you want to get glowing skin like Kriti Sanon, then this video is just for you. Without wasting any more time, let's start. Now I would love a good avocado sandwich, but I didn't know that it can be used on skin as well. For our first remedy, the ingredients that we need are turmeric, avocado and honey. Let's take a bowl. Take 2 teaspoons of mashed avocado in the bowl. Now avocados are filled with natural oils that moisturize your skin. It also helps prevent blemishes, acne and wrinkles. Avocado soothes skin conditions, prevents skin damage, improves skin elasticity, minimizes breakouts, improves overall skin health and also prevents dry skin. Wow, did you know that? Now let's add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder to it. Turmeric, as we all know, prevents skin cells from clumping together and clogging the pores. Since it's antiseptic and antibacterial, it may effectively stop the growth of acne-causing bacteria. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties promote quicker healing by calming areas that are already inflamed. Turmeric can help you regain the glow and luster of your skin. Lastly, add 1 teaspoon of honey to it to get a paste-like consistency. So let's add the honey. Honey has exfoliating properties, and by using it on your face, you can eliminate dead skin cells that make your skin look dull. This can reveal brighter skin. Honey is a natural humectant, that means it pulls in moisture and locks it into the skin. It also creates a protective barrier to prevent dryness. Plus, the enzymes in honey help exfoliate the skin and remove dead skin cells to soften rough skin. Let's make this into a smooth paste. Before applying it on your face, please make sure that you do a patch test. So I'm going to try this on my hand. It has a very smooth and sticky consistency. Once the patch test is successful, you can now apply it on your face as well as on your neck. Leave it to rest for 15 minutes before rinsing it with water and locking the moisture in with a hydrating cream. You can apply this face pack twice a week. Now let's move on to our next home remedy. Turmeric is quite a well-known kitchen ingredient, not only for its healing properties but also because it makes our skin radiant and healthy. For our next home remedy, the ingredients that we need are turmeric, oat flour and rose water. Let's take a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of oats flour to the bowl. I recently discovered that beta-glucans found in oats help support faster wound healing. It contains humectant properties which draw in moisture that soothes skin that's inflamed and dry. Oatmeal also has vitamin E, which also serves to lighten skin discoloration. Let's add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder to this. So guys, turmeric acts as a great exfoliator. It helps in removing blackheads and dead skin cells. It also contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components, which means it provides a glow to the skin. Lastly, add 1 tablespoon of rose water to make a paste-like consistency. Now we all know that rose water has natural astringent properties which help improve the skin's texture and make it softer and smoother. Rose water works as a natural chemical-free toner and helps minimize your pores so that your skin looks absolutely flawless, supple and glowing. Let's mix this well. Before applying it on your face, please make sure that you do a patch test first. So I'm going to try this on my hand. It has a grainy consistency because of the oat flour. Once the patch test is successful, you can now slather the pack onto your face. Leave it to rest for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off with water. Finally, apply any moisturizer of your choice and flaunt clear, supple skin. You can apply this pack 2 to 3 times a week. And there you have it, guys. Let's have a quick recap. For our first home remedy to get glowing skin like Kriti Sanon, we made a paste using avocado, turmeric and honey. Make this into a smooth paste. And for the second remedy, we used turmeric, oat flour and rose water. Let's mix this well. Remember guys, consistency is the key when it comes to skincare. Before you try these remedies at home, please make sure that you consult a medical practitioner to know what is right for you. Let me know which remedy you tried. Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.